Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove people from your photos using the Snapseed photo editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and you can tap on the plus icon or the open button to open up your image that you want to edit. After opening up this image, just double tap in order to zoom in. And now in order to remove any person, just tap on the tools option and then tap on healing. Once you choose this, just use the brush to highlight the person that you would like to remove from your photo. And once you highlight this person completely, you can let go of this brush and this person will be removed from your photo right away. You can heal other minor imperfections by doing the same step in small increments. And now the person that you wanted to remove from your image has been removed right away. You can now tap on the tick mark button in order to apply your changes and export your image right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove any person from your image using the Snapseed application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.